Hello, today I'm going to be showing you the new starter kits for Laravext. If you're not familiar with Laravext, it's an inertia style monolith, but it also uses Next.js's file-based routing system and file conventions for Vue and React. Although Laravext already had starter kits before, I wanted to recreate them so that they visually look the same as the new ones from Laravel that uses Shadcn. Uh, so let's get started. To get started, all you have to do is go to laravext.dev, and then you're going to click on Starter Kits. There are going to be two commands available, one for React and one for Vue. You just pick the one you want to use. I'm going to go with React. Then you access the terminal. I'm going to go to the header directory. And then I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to name it React Starter Kit. And then just press Enter. This process might take a while, so I'm just going to speed this up. And now let's try it by creating an account. All right. Hopefully I'm not going to do any typos this time. And there you go. So it's pretty much like the one from Laravel. It doesn't really change that much. You can change the appearance and that's it. Don't recommend that. But anyway, and now we're going to take a quick look at the code. I like to start with the blade file. So it's pretty similar to how you would find the original one with inertia from Laravel. So instead of an inertia directive over here, you're going to have an axis. And all your pages, they're going to be structured very similar to how Next.js does things. Vue.js with Nuxt also does this file-based routing system, but anyway, you're going to have all these directories, and they're going to have a page.tsx, .jsx, .vue inside of them. You're also going to have route groups, so you can use them to just group things up. You can use other file conventions from Next.js. You're going to check the docs. You can check the docs and just see how they work. You can also have route parameters. So like a token from this route that it's the reset password route. So you're going to have the page. You're going to use the token from the route params function and the email from the carry params function. And the routes, they're structured over here, at least the API routes. You also have the auth routes. So these verify email hash. I created this so that the name it's the same as Laravel internally does it. I didn't want to override it or anything. You also have the web one. This is just a redirect, and it imports the auth routes file and the Laravext routes file. So it's also quite similar to how you'd find. Some of them are not here because you actually don't need to declare them because of this. So this method, it's going to check the Nexus directory and look for page files. And every time it sees a page file, either JSX, TSX, Vue, it's going to use it as a page. I'm also renaming the the root path for home, just so you know that it's actually used inside the project. So I wanted to keep that. I didn't want to change it that much from the original project from Laravel. Um, I've also set this one here, so every route that it starts with dashboard, it's going to be inside this middleware auth, and also the settings routes. So anything after that, it's also going to be using this middleware over here. And I think that pretty much sums up. I'm not going to go into the controllers because they don't really change that much from what you see in the official one from Laravel. And I also want to keep this video short as possible, of course. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one.